So how are you looking at this global turbulence, and when one superpower pressurizes rest of the world solely on the basis of oil and petroleum? Because of your experience in diplomacy also, how do you think it should be tackled?
No, it's just being tackled exactly the way the Prime Ministers and the team is tackling it. First of all, don't react to every a statement you meet. If somebody says something in a podcast and you start reacting, look, the proof of the pudding, as they say, lies in the eating. Means what? Means that if one door closes, two other doors open. If we were buying from 27 countries, we are buying for 41 countries now. Canada, with which we were having problems dealing with, my community, some fringe elements, today, which has got huge reserves, they want to sell to us. I'm never sure that the causality or causation for anything is in one factor. To say that energy is the cause of global friction, I don't buy it. In fact, the more and more energy is coming on the global market.
It's being leveraged.
Everybody leverage. If you are a smart individual or a smart country, you will leverage. But you will also test the waters. कि कहाँ तक leverage हो सकती है. And after a while, if you try and it becomes counterproductive, and if, for instance, the trade flow goes elsewhere, then you also realize that now it's time to retrieve. So I am not particularly concerned. My colleagues will bear me out when this tariff stuff started. I'll say, देखो, the trader and trade flows have an autonomy and a propulsion system of their own. So if, for instance, my exports to one country get slightly stopped, well, we start exploring other markets. That's what's happening in, say, seafood. It's happening in ship. But I'm very hopeful that apart from the India-EU FTA, we'll also have a trade deal with the remaining countries. We won one with EFTA, we've got EU, we've done arrangements with the Australians, with the, I'm sure the Canadians will also want it, and the United States. I think this is work in progress and will happen.